4, that is Harpreet and Vandana, business persons. Now there is a story of two girls, that is Harpreet and Vandana, and they are a business persons. ठीक है. My father and uncle worked in a small shop, means they were saying my father or uncle, they both work in a small shop during festival time, and on Sunday my mother and I helped them in the shop. I started working there only after I completed my college. Now Harpreet, she is telling her own story. She is saying कि my father and my uncle, they were working in a small shop, ठीक है, and during the festival time or the Sundays, I and my mother, they both went to the shop, ठीक है, and helped them. I started there only after I completed my college. Means she is saying कि I am helping my uncle or my father in a shop when I have completed my college. We opened the showroom some years ago. She is saying that showroom we have opened some years ago. कुछ ही साल पहले हम लोगों ने खोला हुआ था. I am a dress designer. Our business has changed. These days people prefer to buy ready-made clothes rather than have stitched. The trend these days is for ready-made garments. You also need an attractive display for them. Now Vandana is telling her own story. अब वंदना अपने बारे में बता रही है. She is saying कि हम लोगों ने कुछ ही साल पहले we opened our showroom, ठीक है, and I am a dress designer. Our business has changed nowadays because people used to prefer a ready-made clothes rather than they have to stretch. Means आजकल we also generally in a general case we also use a ready-made clothes. हम ready-made clothes ही लेते हैं, ठीक है. We prefer it rather than to buy a stretched cloth. The trend these days is for ready-made garments and you also need an attractive display for them. अब ready-made garments की showroom को भी आप attractive बनाएंगे, then the people will or the customer will attract and then they will come to your shop. Otherwise they will not, right? हम क्या होता है, जहाँ पर हम अट्रैक्ट होते हैं वहीं पर हम जाते हैं. अदरवाइज वी गो टू अनदर शॉप, राइट. For our showroom, we buy things from different places. Now they both were saying, for our showroom, हम अपने showroom के लिए we have to buy different things from the different places. अलग अलग जगहों से अलग अलग चीज़ें हमें purchase करनी पड़ती हैं. We buy most of the material from Mumbai. They were saying कि most of the clothes we have to purchase or we have to bought from Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Ludhiana, Tripura. Some materials also come from Noida and Gurgaon near Delhi. दिल्ली के पास जो गुड़गांव है वहाँ से भी there also we purchase some of the clothes. We get some dress item from foreign countries too. और इनके साथ साथ हमें फॉरेन कंट्रीज से भी बहुत सारी क्लोथ्स बाय करने पड़ते हैं. मीन्स देखिए अपने शोरूम को अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए दे आर बाइंग देयर क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस लाइक दिल्ली, लुधियाना, त्रिपुरा, फॉरेन कंट्रीज, ठीक है. देयर आर सेवरल थिंग्स वी नीड टू डू टू रन द शोरूम प्रॉपरली. और हमें अपने शोरूम को चलाने के लिए वी हैव टू डू सेवरल थिंग्स लाइक वी आर एडवर्टाइजिंग इन अ वेरियस न्यूज़पेपर, टेलीविज़न, रेडियो चैनल्स, ठीक है. आपने देखा होगा यू हैव सीन इन द टीवी ऑफ ऑल्सो, टेलीविजन ऑल्सो, वेयर यू हैव सीन सो मेनी एडवर्टाइज, ठीक है. Currently this building is rented but soon we have to plan to buy it. They were saying कि that showroom which we are having right now, it is in a rented, अभी वो rented में है, but later on or very soon we will buy that showroom. Ever since this market has become the main market for people living in the surrounding apartments, our business has grown. This they were saying कि whatsoever showroom we are having right now in the market, that showroom is in the मेन एरिया, ठीक है, मेन एरिया में है वेयर अवर बिजनेस हैज़ ग्रोन, जिससे हमारा जो बिजनेस है वो क्या हो सकता है, अच्छे से एक्सपेंड हो सकता है, ग्रो हो सकता है. वी हैव बीन एबल टू बाय अ कार एंड book a flat in an apartment complex nearby. They were saying कि we have been able, मतलब right now we are in a stable condition and we have to buy a car as well as we have booked a flat in that apartment complex. Like Harpreet and Manna, there are many people who own shop in various markets of the city. Means the like Harpreet and Manna story. ठीक है, you have heard the story of Harpreet and Manna. In the same way, in the city you can see many people who is working in the market. ठीक है, and they are earning. These shops may be small or large, and they sell different things. मतलब it should be a small shop or a large shop, and it should be a different types of things, not in a showroom. ठीक है, you can see a small shops, fortune shops. ठीक है, but they do employ a number of other workers as a supervisor or helpers. You have seen in the showroom also, right? There are a number of people who is working over there. ठीक है, जिनको क्या मिल रहा है, काम मिल रहा है. और यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्पर ओवर देयर. आप बहुत सारे हेल्पर्स वहाँ देखते हैं, जिससे क्या होता है, उनकी भी क्या हो जाती है, अर्निंग होती है. These are a permanent shop that are given a license to do business by municipal corporation, and these shops are very permanent, right? What is temporary, which you can see on the street side, means they are sitting on a street side, they are means going in a way in a cart. ठीक है, और आप देखेंगे some of the peoples were sitting on the tree. आप बैठे अंडर द ट्री, कुछ ऐसे बैठे हैं जो पेड़ के नीचे बैठे हुए हैं. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने who is sitting with their vegetables, their flowers on the street. और कुछ ऐसे हैं जो कार्ड्स लेके घूमते हैं. These peoples are temporary. वो टेम्पररी हैं. They can be dismantled any time by the police. ठीक है. And on the other side, if you will see a showrooms, a small shops or the big shops that are permanent. ठीक है, they are taking a license for it. License from where they will take? From the municipal corporation. The municipal corporation also decides on which day of the week the market has to remain closed. Means that municipal corporation is giving a license to open your shop on which side, and on the other side the municipal corporation also decides on which day you will open the shop and which day you will close it. Means if we talk about the our Haldwani market, on Saturday it will remain closed every week, right? For an example, the shops in the above market are closed on Wednesday. As you know, means they were saying कि for an example the shop has been closed on every Wednesday. The market also has small offices, shops that provide services such as banks, courier services, others. Means everything will be closed. Whether it is a bank, small offices, shops, courier service or many other things that has been closed on every Wednesday. Now come to our fifth topic, that is in a factory workshop area. I wanted to have zari work done on my dresses which I needed for a special occasion. Now the girl is saying, I wanted to have a zari work. मुझे जरी का काम चाहिए on my dress which I needed for the occasionally. मतलब मुझे अपने occasion के लिए special occasion, on my special occasion I want a zari work on my dress. My cousin said that she knew Nirmala who works in a garment factory. Now one of my cousin, she knows one of the women who is working in a garment factory. Nirmala's neighbor do zari work and embroidery, and that Nirmala's neighbor ठीक है, उसकी जो पड़ोसी है, शी नो हाउ टू डू अ जरी वर्क एंड अ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. So we caught a bus and headed towards the factory area. So I and my cousin, they both went to the bus and caught a bus, and we reached to factory area. The bus was really very crowded. In that bus there are so many people sitting over there. At every stop more and more people got on and hardly anyone seems to get off. And in that bus we have seen so many people were coming, but real person were there who is गेट ऑफ. बहुत ऐसे थे जो बस में चढ़ रहे थे लेकिन उसमें से उतर बहुत कम रहे थे. People were pushing others to make more space for themselves, and you have seen in your area also, in your buses also, ठीक है, what will happen. Some of the person, they were pushing to another. Why they were pushing? To make a space for themselves. अपने लिए space बनाने के लिए they will push into each other, right? My cousin guided me to a corner so that we wouldn't get squashed. मतलब she is saying कि my cousin has give me advice or guided me to sit in a corner, ठीक है, sit in a corner that it wouldn't be get squashed. I wondered how people travel like this every day. So I thought that how people were traveling in a bus every day, it was very difficult. As the bus entered the factory area, people started getting off. When we reached to factory area, we have seen lot of person were get off from the bus. We also got off soon at a crossing. What a relief that was. And with that people, they मतलब I and my cousin also got off from the bus, and how relief we get. वो बताते हैं कि कितना हमें relief मिला when we got off, हम जब बस से उतरे. There were a large number of people sitting on railing and in groups at the crossing. We have seen a large number of people who is sitting on a railing में बैठे हुए थे, and in group at crossing, और group में बैठे हुए थे. They seems to be waiting for someone. They all were waiting for someone, right? Some groups have had people on scooters standing by and talking with them. Means some of the people we have seen who is having their own scooter and they seated over there, ठीक है, and talking to each other. My cousin explained that this place was called Labor Chowk, and my cousin, she briefed me, she told me that that place we called as Labor Chowk. These were daily wage laborers who work as helper to masons. और they were saying कि this is the daily wage laborer, मतलब जो daily wage laborer जो daily क्या लेते हैं, मनी लेते हैं, wage लेते हैं, ठीक है, मजदूरी लेते हैं या दिहाड़ी we can say. They are working as a helper, वो काम करते हैं, मजदूरी करते हैं, and they will take a money on a daily basis. They take at the construction site, lift loads और unload. वो क्या करते हैं construction site में, they will do in a construction site to dig out the places, और lift करते हैं लोड को, और unload trucks in the market, dig pipelines and telephone cables and also build roads. And what they will do, they will dig out the pipelines, ठीक है, pipelines dig out करते हैं, and telephone cables and also build the roads ही बनाते हैं. यानी कि मजदूरी का जितना काम होता है, they will do all these things. There are thousands of such casual workers in the city, and you can see so many people who is working as a casual work in the city. We enter the city area to find it full of small workshops. Now we entered a factory area. अब हम factory area में entered हुए, where we have seen full of small workshops. There seems to be endless rows of them. Means we have seen so many rows which cannot be end, वो end नहीं हो रहे थे. In one section we saw people working in a small room on swing machine where clothes were being stitched. And when we entered the factory area, ठीक है, we have seen so many rooms where the women were sitting on a seat and they were swing on the machine. वो क्या कर रही थी? हमने देखा कि जो छोटे छोटे रोज बनाए गए थे या छोटे छोटे रूम्स बनाए गए थे वेयर विमेंस वर सिटिंग, वहाँ पर बैठी हुई थी और वो क्या कर रही थी? मशीन में सिलाई कर रही थी, स्टिचिंग कर रही थी ऑन क्लोथ्स. Clothes that had been stitched were stretched on one side of the room, and whatsoever clothes they have needed, they have kept it on one side of the room. We located Nirmala in the stitching unit. Now we reached in a Nirmala unit, जो निर्मला की यूनिट थी जहाँ पर वो काम करती थी स्टिचिंग यूनिट में. We reached over there. She was happy to meet my cousin and promised to get zari work done on my dress. Now we reached to Nirmala. Nirmala seen to my cousin and she is so happy to see her and she promised her to do the zari work on their dress. Nirmala works as a tailor in an export garments unit. She is working as a means she is a tailor and she is working in a export garment unit. जो अलग अलग यूनिट्स होती हैं, in a same way she is doing in a export garment unit. The factory where she works makes summer clothes. Where in that unit she is making what? Summer clothes. Summer की जो clothes हैं वो बनाती हैं for people in foreign countries, which will be export in foreign countries like USA, UK, Germany, Netherlands. Workers like Nirmala have to work very long hours in the month from December to April. ठीक है, in this unit like Nirmala, all other peoples who is working in that unit, they were working long hours, लंबे समय तक वो काम करते हैं. कब? When from December to April, दिसंबर से लेकर अप्रैल तक they will do a long hours work, लंबे घंटों के लिए वो काम करते हैं. Why? To make a summer clothes and it will be exported in foreign countries. ठीक है, जहाँ पर वो मई से लेकर नवंबर तक they will use that clothes, right? A normal working day begins at 9 a.m. and finishes only by 10 p.m. Whatever the normal timing of the factory, normal timing क्या थी फैक्ट्री की? In the morning 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. रात के 10 बजे तक. And sometimes even later, कभी इससे भी ज़्यादा लेट हो जाता था. She works for 6 days in a week. And in a week, how many days she works? She works 6 days. At times when the work needs to be done urgently, she works on Sunday too. And कभी जब बहुत ज़्यादा इमरजेंसी होती थी या बहुत जल्दी काम करना होता था तो on Sunday she used to do work. Nirmala is paid ₹80 a day for 8 hours and 40 extra for working late. Means daily she get 80 rupees for 8 hours. And if she will do after 8 hours, she will get 40 rupees extra. By June, the work is over, the factory reduces its staff. And by the June, ठीक है, जो उनका काम होता है वो reduce हो जाता है. So the factory reduces its staff. वो अपने जो staff होता है उसे भी reduce कर देता है. ठीक है, कम कर देता है. Nirmala will also be asked to leave. अब now the time is to reduce the staff. अब स्टाफ को रिड्यूस करने का टाइम आया था. सो Nirmala had to leave her job for about 3 or 4 months in the year. इसीलिए अब साल में in the year they have to leave the job for 3 to 4 months. 3 से 4 महीने के लिए उन्हें अपना काम छोड़ना पड़ता है. There is no work for her. अब उसके लिए वहाँ पर कोई काम नहीं होता है. Most workers like Nirmala are employed on what is known as casual basis. That is, they are required to come as when the employer needs them. Now what they were saying कि most of the workers like Nirmala story you have heard it, ठीक है आपने सुनी. So in the same way there are many people who is a casual basis. Whenever they need, they call them. Otherwise they will left the job and sit it at home. ठीक है. They are employed when the employers get large orders or during certain seasons. Means they will get a job or a work in a factory when they need it, जब उन्हें ज़रूरत होगी, and when they required during the season time, ठीक है जब सीजन का टाइम होता है तब, और when they get a orders, जब उन्हें ऑर्डर मिलते हैं, then they will call a employer and they come and do the work in a factory. At other times of the year, they have to find some other work. Whenever they did not need the employer, they reduce the staff, and at that time, the workers will do some other work. ठीक है, they will do some other place, other work. Jobs like Nirmala's are not permanent. Means these types of people who is in a casual basis, they are a temporary. They are not permanent. They can be dismantled, they can be reduced it, or they can be threw out from the factory anytime. If the workers complain about their pay or working condition, they are asked to leave. Or if these workers will do any complaint, any kind of complaint, or they are having their any own condition, so at that time the factory owner will tell them to leave the job. There is no job security or protection if there is ill treatment, or they did not get a job security, उनके पास कोई job security नहीं होती, and in the same way they did not get a ill treatment, उन्हें कोई treatment भी नहीं दिया जाता if they are sick or not well, ठीक है, or they will somewhere they will injured. They are also expected to work very long hours, and every time they means the owners of the factory expected the workers will do the work for a long time. For an example, in the cloth mill units, the workers work on day and night shift, with each shift lasting 12 hours. One worker works on one machine for 12 hours, then it replaced by another on the same machine for the next 12 hours. Now what will happen if we see a cloth mill unit? अगर हम cloth mill unit को अगर हम देखें, the workers will do the work day and night also. One person will do a shift of 12 hours. एक person 12 hours तक एक मशीन पर बैठकर लगातार काम करेगा, and after that जैसे कि उसका काम हो जाएगा, he will left, वो चला जाएगा और उसकी जगह पे दूसरा वही पर्सन उसी मशीन पे फिर 12 घंटे काम करेगा, फिर वो चला जाएगा. इन अ सेम वे द प्रोसेस विल रन. ठीक है, इसी तरह से वो प्रोसेस चलती रहती है. एवरी पर्सन विल डू द जॉब फॉर 12 आवर्स इन अ सिंगल मशीन, राइट. नाउ कम टू अवर लास्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज इन द ऑफिस एरिया. नाउ हाउ द वर्क्स इन ऑफिस एरिया, सी दैट. My aunt Sudha works as a marketing manager. She is saying कि my auntie, she is a marketing manager, and she had asked to reach her office before 5:30 p.m. We thought we did get late, so we took an auto rickshaw that managed to get us just in time. Now what had happened? Their office has asked to reach the office at 5:30 p.m. We thought we did get late, so we took an auto rickshaw that managed to get us there just in time. Now we thought that we get late, that is why we took a rickshaw to get in a proper time. हम सही टाइम पे पहुंच पाए, so we took an auto rickshaw. Her office was an area surrounded by tall buildings. We have seen, means wherever her office is there, it is surrounded by a tall buildings के आसपास था उनका ऑफिस. There were 100 of peoples coming out, where we have seen so many 100 of peoples were coming from the offices. Some headed from the car park, while other went towards the rows of buses. Some of the peoples they were they were keeping their car parked, and on the other side we have seen number of people who is standing on a row and waiting for the bus. My auntie is a marketing manager in a company which manufactures biscuit, and in that office my auntie is a marketing manager with which manufactures biscuit. मतलब जो मेरी आंटी थी वो क्या थी, मार्केटिंग मैनेजर थी उस ऑफिस में, और वहाँ क्या बनता था, क्या मैन्युफैक्चर होता था, बिस्किट्स. द फैक्ट्री वेयर द बिस्किट्स आर मेड इज आउटसाइड द फैक्ट्री, outside the city, sorry, means the factory where the biscuit has been made, it is outside the city. She supervises the work of 50 sales persons who travel to different parts of the city, and she is supervising the work of 50 people. मतलब जो सेल्समैन पर्सन थे, 50 सेल्स पर्सन थे, उनका काम वो देखा करती थी. शी सुपरवाइजेज द वर्क मीन्स how they were working, how they were traveling, how they were doing the work in a proper way or not. All these things she is supervising. ठीक है, who travel to different parts. These salesperson are traveling in a different parts of the city. They get orders from shopkeepers and collect payment from them. What happened? They will get an order from the shopkeeper. जैसे शॉपकीपर से, दुकान से, शॉप से कोई भी ऑर्डर आया, ठीक है, वो ऑर्डर लेती थी, और ऑर्डर को भेजने के बाद, डिलीवर करने के बाद, नाउ द वर्क ऑफ द सेल पर्सन इज टू गिव द मटेरियल एंड टेक द मनी फ्रॉम देम. वहाँ से फिर पेमेंट लेनी होती थी. She has divided the city into 6 regions, and once a week she meets the salesperson of each region. Now what she has done, she has divided the city into 6 regions. City को 6 अलग अलग regions में she has divide कर दिया था, where she has sent their salesperson, जहाँ वो अपने salesperson को भेज देती थी, ठीक है, and in a week she will meet one person of a one region. एक रीजन के एक पर्सन से मिलती थी एक हफ्ते में, राइट. She checks their progress report and discusses problem they face. And in a week, when she met to that person, salesperson, she asked the problem what he or she is having, and she will see the progress report. Means how he or she has done the work. She will see that also. She has to plan the sales in the entire city and often has to work late and travel to different places. Means she has to see all the work, how the work is going and how the plan is working. ठीक है, she has to see the entire city, पूरी city को देखना होता था, as well as she has to work late, देर तक काम करना होता था, and to travel different places, अलग अलग जगहों पर भी उन्हें जाना होता था. She gets a regular salary every month and is a permanent worker with the company. And she is a regular salary, means she is getting a regular salary every month. उन्हें every month regular salary मिलती थी. And she is a permanent worker also. वो एक permanent worker भी थी, temporary नहीं थी कि when the season come then she will do, otherwise she will leave the job. No, whole year she will do the work and every month she will get a money, salary from the company. She had expect her job to continue for a long period of time, means in a whole year she will complete her task, her work in a factory or in a company. Being a permanent worker, she also get other benefits such as foreign. And being as a permanent, she is a permanent member of the company, so she is getting so many benefits from the company. Now, what are the benefits? See this. First benefit she got, that is saving for old age. I am writing here saving for old age. First benefit she get is saving for old age. Now what is there? A part of her salary is kept in a fund with the government. She will earn interest on these savings, and when she retired from this job, she will get this money and she earn then leave on that. Now what will happen in saving for old age? इसमें क्या होता है? Apart from your salary, ठीक है, apart from your salary is saved or kept in a fund with the government, means फंड के रूप में गवर्नमेंट को वो दे दिया जाता है, गवर्नमेंट के पास रहता है, ठीक है। वेयर यू विल गेट अ इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम देम, और वहाँ से आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलता है। एंड व्हेन यू रिटायर, जब आप रिटायर हो जाते हो तो वो पैसा भी आपको आपकी लाइफ के लिए, आपकी ज़िंदगी के लिए वो आपको दिया जाता है, ठीक है, पेंशन के रूप में। नाउ हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वन? ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है? द सम ऑफ योर मनी और सम पार्ट ऑफ योर मनी इट विल सेव्ड एज अ फंड, ठीक है, बाय द गवर्नमेंट, एंड गवर्नमेंट विल गिव यू अ इंटरेस्ट as well as when you retires you will get this money back, right? Now the second is holidays. Second is holidays. Now see this, in holidays she get off on Sunday and national holidays. She also gets some days and annual leave. On holidays every Sunday you will get a leave, आपको हर संडे को आपको लीव मिलता है, छुट्टी मिलती है। एंड ऑन नेशनल एंड एनुअल लीव्स, एंड यू विल गेट अ लीव ऑन नेशनल एज वेल एज एनुअल लीव। जो साल की जितनी भी छुट्टियां होती है, नेशनल लीव्स होती हैं, यू विल गेट ऑल दीज लीव्स, राइट? नाउ द थर्ड इज मेडिकल facilities for her family. Now national medical facility for her family. अब जो मेडिकल फैसिलिटी मिलती है फैमिली के लिए वो क्या है? सी, her company pay the medical expenses up to a certain amount for her and her family members. She get medical leave if she falls ill and her salary is not cut if she take this leave. अब क्या होता है? मेडिकल फैसिलिटी, what will happen in this? The company will give you the expenses if you will injured, if you will ill or your family will ill. आपकी फैमिली में या आपको कोई भी परेशानी होती है, ठीक है, और you will injured somewhere, ठीक है, और you will met with some mishappening, ठीक है, at that time the company will pay you a certain money, ठीक है, कुछ मनी पे करती है, that is fixed by the company, वो कंपनी से फिक्स होता है, which will pay you at that time, and after that she gets medical leave if she falls ill and her salary will not cut off. और क्या होता है कि मान लीजिए कि आप इफ़ यू आर इल, आप बीमार हैं और अगर आप छुट्टी लेते हैं, ठीक है, अगर आप मेडिकल लेते हैं, मेडिकल लीव्स में जाते हैं, तो एट दैट टाइम यू विल गेट अ लीव ऑल्सो एज वेल एज योर सैलरी विल नॉट डिडक्ट, आपकी सैलरी डिडक्ट नहीं होती है, आपकी सैलरी नहीं काटी जाती, यू विल पेड बाय फुल सैलरी, ठीक है, आपको पूरी सैलरी दी जाती है, राइट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट, now there are many workers in the city who works in offices, factories and government departments where they are employed as regular and permanent workers. There are many places in the city where you can see the workers who is working in a factory, offices, companies, ठीक है, और government departments where they are regular employed or we can say the permanent workers, ठीक है। They are attend the same office or factory regularly, means what they will do daily, they will go to office regularly Their work is clearly identified. They will clear their job, what they will do in the office or the company or the department, whatsoever it is. They are clear their mind what they will do in the office. They get a regular salary every month. They will get a proper salary. Unlike casual workers, they will not be to ask to leave if the factory does not have much work. Means in a permanent job, what will happen? They will go daily. They will get a proper job, proper salary every month, and whole year they will do the same work whatsoever they are doing, right? And in a temporary job, what will happen? The workers will do the work whenever they need it, okay, and they will call any time by the owner to leave the job. उन्हें कभी भी ये बोला जा सकता है कि आप इस जॉब को छोड़ दीजिए. There is no work in the factory, so there is no need to do the work here. At the end of the day, we got into aunt's car, and after end of the job, ठीक है, काम खत्म होने के बाद, we got into my aunt car. हम एक आंटी की कार में बैठे, exhausted, where we have a tired, बहुत ज़्यादा थके हुए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा exhausted थे, but it had been so much fun. But in a whole day we have enjoyed a lot, and I thought how interesting that so many people do many different things in the city. And after seeing all these things, I thought in the city we have seen so many people who is working different types of work in a different places, and it was very interesting to see all these. They have been probably never met each other, but it is their work that ties them together and help to make up city life. And these people who is working on a some particular place, they will not meet मतलब before, ठीक है, वो कभी कभी मिले नहीं होते हैं पहले, but when they start working on that place, they makes them help to other person, they help them, ठीक है, और they coordinate with them or they tie with them. क्या करते हैं? उनके साथ काम भी करते हैं, they help with them also, उनकी एक दूसरे की मदद भी करते हैं, and they makes their own good friends in that, ठीक है, और वहाँ पर एक अच्छे दोस्त भी बनाते हैं, ठीक है, which is for the lifetime, वो हमेशा के लिए होता है. So in the office area, जो परमानेंट होते हैं, those they are permanent workers, they are getting some facilities. These are following. First is saving for old age, second is holidays, and the third one is medical facility, ठीक है, which I have briefed you. And in a temporary structure, they will call them to leave the job at any time, ठीक है, whenever they need, they call them for the work. Otherwise, they will leave from the company, office, whatsoever it is, ठीक है. So in this chapter we have learned about the urban areas, how it works, or how the employees, workers, laborers, they works on the urban areas, how they will get our money, ठीक है, and what the facility they will get. All these things we have discussed in this chapter, and with that we have completed this whole chapter and complete whole civics book also. So I hope you have understood this chapter nicely and clearly. If you have any doubt, you can see the video again, which will help you to understand the chapter nicely and clearly. Now we will meet in our next video in our history chapters, ठीक है. By the time you can learn all the things what I have told you in the video and whatever I am giving you in the PDF. And now it's time to end up. So bye bye, be healthy and be safe at home.